our practice, it is an honor and pleasure for us to present the members of the North Carolina Bar Association, all candidates for appellate court contests that will be on the ballot in November. I will call both candidates up at the same time by seat seniority, and then the candidates will speak in alphabetical order for 2 minutes each. We have an official timer, but we'll signal when 30 seconds are remaining, and then a sign signaling to stop when the 2 minutes expires, at which time I will have to interrupt if necessary. Our first seat is the Edmunds seat on the North Carolina Supreme Court, and the candidates are, please come forward, incumbent Justice Bob Edmunds and challenger Wake Forest University School of Law Professor Suzanne Reynolds.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Bob Edmunds. I'm a justice on your North Carolina Supreme Court, and I'm seeking re-election this year. I want to begin by thanking you for the privilege of serving on the High Court. I thank you very much for the opportunity you gave me 8 years ago when you elected me to this court. And what makes this judicial election important to you? What is there about this election? What qualities does a justice bring to the bench that is important to lawyers in the state? I suggest that it's important to have on your highest court men and women with proven ability both in the practice of law and in interpreting law. Most of you in this room are practitioners. I've done what you do. I have been a practitioner. I have been a partner in a law firm. I know what it's like to build and maintain a client base. I know what it's like to go through lean times. I know what it's like to have my income dependent on my work as a lawyer. Most of you think of me probably, if you think of me at all, as a former prosecutor. But I spent many years working as a criminal defense lawyer as well. I know what it's like to defend innocent clients. I know what it's like to make that sad trip to central prison and say goodbye to a condemned client. So all these experiences have informed my work on the court. Almost everything I've done is on the public record. You can see it. You know with me what you're getting as a judge. You're getting a fair and impartial justice who writes opinions that everyone can understand and apply. You get a judge who has never bent the law to his own preferences. And I think that's why I have such bipartisan support. I've been one kind of judge for 10 years. I'm not running for re-election to pull the old switcheroo on you. I'm the only candidate who's been a judge, the only candidate who's been a partner in a firm, the only candidate who's a board-certified specialist. The Supreme Court, 5 of the 7 members are in their first term. Folks, we need people with experience, seasoned